If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Riley? Riley?
He's so tired. He's gonna get all his sleep in now,
Charlotte.
and then he's gonna be up for you guys again tonight.
She almost bit my fingers.
Oh my goodness. Is that you licking your head? Is she licking your ear?
What's going on here?
What was that? It's okay. It's a doggy. Oh, sweetie.
Okay, hold on. Now everybody do it. Yeah! Oh, it scared him that time.
Down, there you go.
Way down, love. Way down. Woo!
Here in the third. Warriors trying to take that 3-0 lead.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Look at you go! Look at you go!
Your face? Oh my goodness. Can you show mommy again? Are you so cute you have to hide your face? Are you like, mommy, I'm so bashful? Are you coming back? Are you good? Kitty's good.
Let's get the treat.
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
Get on her, Copy.
Get on him, Cope.
Throw it now. Do to you, Cope.
Run at it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Can I get a smile? Baby.
Let her join. She's so
What is that face for?
Don't you? Yes, I do.
Hey.
You gonna dance with him, May?
Kyle.
Dance with him, May.
There you go. He's dancing.
Glasses on. They said contacts was not in her futures because
No, Grace!
she can see enough because she can't see.
Daddy's good.
What are you doing?
You're getting close.
Goes the weasel.
Let him eat some, King. That's so low down. Good.
My hands are empty.
Yay!
I feel so
Here you
bad.
go, Lou.
Can I just look?
What? Oh, shit.
Be nice.
Oh, you're getting, look at that. Good job, Bobo. Oh,